I've got a really cool, inexpensive accessory to show you today. Stick around and we'll get right to it. Hey, welcome back guys, Jason, KM4ACK. If you've been around the channel any length of time at all, you'll know that I'm a huge proponent of the modular system. I've got bags made up like this one that's got my HT stuff in it, so my little HT everyday kit. I've also got bags like this one that's my level 2 toolkit. Well, now we've got a brand new bag on the market that I want to show you guys today. Now, for the longest time, I've been using these kind of plastic reinforced zippered bags, and they have done okay, but I've got a couple of them that are really starting to fray right around here, so I was just looking for a better solution. And that's when I ran across Dennis when we were in Orlando, and he showed me these cool new bags that he's offering. So I bought several of them, and I've got one for several different things. You can tell this one here is for the Yaesu 857, this one's for the ICOM 705, and this one's just got the battery logo on it because I use this bag for all of my HT batteries. So if you open that up, there's just a bunch of different HT batteries in there. But I find these help me really stay organized. By the way, these custom patches, I print these for every single bag. They are available on my website if you're interested. And the bags that I ordered all came with the Digirig little morale patch as well. Now we'll take a look at an empty one here. This is the one that when I'm leaving out, I put all of my computer components in here. So whether it's cables or a mouse or whatever it happens to be, they all fit nicely in this bag. I'm not sure exactly what the material is, but this is, I can tell, is going to be a very durable material. It does have some hook and loop on the front so you can attach those morale patches. It also has MOLLE on the front as well as MOLLE on the back, and includes these two straps. So if you wanted to put it on the outside of another backpack, you could do that. When you look inside, it's pretty simple inside of it. We've just got, I'm gonna try to see if I can get that so you guys can see well. It is just got a big open compartment here and then a smaller compartment divided off with this mesh material. Let's see, can we see that on camera? Yeah, that mesh material right there gives us a little bit of a divided compartment over here. But basically, it's just a bag that we can use to organize the gear that we're throwing in a larger backpack. Now, for a little bit of a size reference, it's roughly 7 inches across. The depth of it, I'm going to call about 5 inches, and I'm not sure how thick that thing will open up, but I'm going to say roughly about 1.75 inches, maybe 2 inches. So there's a look at the brand new bags by Digirig. They are available in 3 different colors. We got the black, we got the green, and then we've got that desert tan color. These are going to be an awesome addition to my modular setup. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.